Welcome back, guys, to another episode of the car build. Today's episode, we're going to be going over the stainless steel exhaust. So I'm on my way to Tony Banks in Leeds to get a full stainless steel exhaust made, and that's going straight from the manifold back to the rear back box. Now, I'm not sure how much I can film, whether they'll allow it or what. I'm going to ask before I get when I get there, and then I'll do what I can. But yeah, thank you for watching. Watch the video, and yeah. So this is the selection of exhaust tips they sell, and what basically add it to the back box at the end. So it's a nice little selection actually. I thought I'd put this in the video so you can also see for yourself if you do decide to use these guys. So this is the one I've decided to go to. As you can see, it's not super huge. I didn't want a big massive cannon because I just didn't feel like it, so it's probably about 2.5 inch, 3 inches this exit. So I'm hoping you can hear me at the minute, but this is what it sort of sounds like after the exhaust. I'm doing about 65 at the minute. I'll be honest, it's not much louder, which is good. I didn't want it super loud on my